Redbet here, welcome to our MotoGP 2023 season preview video. In this video, we'll cover everything that you need to know about the upcoming MotoGP season, including the team and the riders, and we'll even make some predictions about the upcoming season. So let's talk about the teams and the riders. So the returning teams are Repsol Honda, Yamaha, Ducati, and KTM. The facts of the season: there are 11 teams. Suzuki left the championship last year. There are 21 races and 22 riders. All manufacturers are permitted to build a 1000cc 4-stroke naturally aspirated engine. Some team changes this year: Raul Fernandez and Miguel Oliveira have joined Aprilia. Rookie Augusto Fernandez will team up with veteran Pol Espargaro on the KTM Tech 3 Gas team. Johan Mir, former Suzuki rider, chose the Repsol Honda team, and he'll be riding alongside Marc Marquez, as Suzuki has left the championship in the 2022 season. Alex Rins has moved from Suzuki to LCR Honda. Australian veteran rider Jack Miller has moved from Italian factory Ducati team and is now on the KTM team, joining Brad Binder. Enea Bastianini got promoted from the Gresini Ducati team and is now alongside Pecco Bagnaia on the factory Ducati. Alex Marquez went from the LCR Honda now to the Gresini Ducati team, and he joins Fabio Di Gianantonio at Gresini. All the other teams remain the same. You have the Aprilias with the Maverick Vinales and Aleix Espargaro, and then you have the Yamaha team with Fabio Quartararo and Frankie Morbidelli. Then you have the Rossi Muni VR6 Ducati team with Luca Marini and Marco Besucci. And then you have the Pramac Ducati team with George Martin and Johan Zarco. There are some regulation changes this year. Front ride height devices have been outlawed. Front hole shot devices, which can be used to help acceleration off the line at the start of races, will remain. But front ride height devices can be adjusted during a lap have been banned. Sprint races will be added this year to every Grand Prix weekend. They will be a race that's run on the Saturday. They are half the length of the Grand Prix on Sunday. The top 8 finishers will score points as shown here on the screen. We have a video on the channel detailing everything you need to know about MotoGP sprint races. We'll leave a link in the description below. Just a reminder to like and subscribe. We're trying to get the subscribers up. Please like and subscribe. Here are our top 5 predictions for the MotoGP season. Number 5, there will be a lot of engine penalties. With every week, there will be a sprint race added to the main Sunday race. This will cause immense pressure on the engine and other components. The fact that the number of race laps the engines will have to complete will increase by half. I see a lot of penalties that will be assessed in the season as teams run out of operational engines. Number 4, sprint races will be reduced next season due to rider protests or the cause of so many blown engine or components due to the amount of laps they're being used for. I see them reducing sprint racing by either half or even maybe just for marquee races during the season. Number 3, the Constructor of the Year will be Ducati. With 8 out of 22 bikes on the track powered by a Ducati, they'll definitely be the champion on either a factory Ducati or one of their satellite teams. Prediction number 2, the Yamaha and Honda will be too difficult to ride for Fabio Quartararo and Marc Marquez to win the championship. The Yamaha seems to be lacking the power that the Ducati has, but the Honda is turning out to be a pig of a bike. The RC213V is proving to be difficult to handle, and it's also lacking pace. Marc Marquez has said it's only good enough to fight for between 5th and 10th place right now, but you can never count Marc out. Through his incredible skill, ultra-aggressive riding style, and his unique ability to get the most from a bike, Marc always finds a way. But I feel the bike this year they have, even with Marc's skills, they can't overcome the Ducati's power. And our number 1 prediction, we have a new MotoGP champion this year. Enea Bastianini rides his factory Ducati to his first world title. I think him and Pecco will battle it out, but in the end of the season, he will win the title. Why, you ask? He's fearless, he takes care of his tires, and he's on the best bike they got. Top 3 riders for the season, we think: Enea Bastianini, Pecco Bagnaia, and Marc Marquez. And that's all for our MotoGP 2023 season preview video. This will be one of the most exciting seasons yet, with the changes in the riders lineup, regulation changes, and the unpredictability of the sport. We can expect a lot of excitement, drama, and adrenaline-fueled action on the track. Thank you for watching our MotoGP 2023 season preview video. We'll see you at the races. Redbet signing off.